When we restore ponds, we bring water back into the landscape. And that's water for red deer, for a whole range of mammals, small mammals to drink from. So we've seen massive amounts of benefits.
Wetlands are drained for various reasons, but it's usually for humans for some reason, whether it's construction of buildings or to increase farmable land. As we reduce wetlands on the landscape, that reduces not only just wildlife habitat for waterfowl and other migratory birds, but it also reduces groundwater aquifer recharge, it increases potential for flooding, and it also affects sequestration of carbon.
You know, farmers and ranchers utilize the land to produce food. And there's so many government regulations and so many in the environmental world and in the wildlife world that want to tell us what to do on our property.
You know, a balance of protecting wildlife, having habitat, and then find ways for us to be profitable in agriculture. That's all important.
You've got, you know, ponds in parkland, you've got them in cities and all sorts of things like that. And what's wonderful is you've got this underwater life going on. A whole community is happening under the water and you have no idea about it.